Happy Friday, everyone. Kylie Prep Scholars. So this is just a quick video to explain how you can use your time tomorrow after map testing. I know I've said this in the last video. The very first thing that you are going to do is check all of your assignments. If you watch my last YouTube video posted in our team's general page, I will walk you through each of the assignments. If you're all caught up, you are going to complete your Greek myth project and you're going to complete the PowerPoint. So just a few words on the PowerPoint. You are going to do a checklist. I'll post a checklist in your assignment as well. Is all of your information complete and accurate? Did you use complete sentences that begin with the capital and end with punctuation? Did you use many resources? So I used, and when I say many, I'm going to say at least 3 resources. And here's how I know that you used 3 resources. On each of your slides, you have more than 1 bullet point. So if you have 2 to 3 bullet points, then I know you used more than 1 resource. Now that might not be for every single slide. There may be a slide, a question that you're like, I'm not too sure. I only have this information. Okay, 1 slide, we'll let it slide, LOL. But for most of your slides, you should have 2 to 3 bullet points. Did you choose the most significant information to include in a presentation and integrate it well into a PowerPoint? Were you able to take information from a video or an online resource and put it in your own words to make your Greek god or goddess PowerPoint presentation? And here's the big one. Did you use your own words? No copy, cut, and paste. I have a 5th and 6th sense for copy, cut, and pasting, so I will be able to tell. And also, how cool are your pictures? Do you have a mix of interesting images? Is it fun to look at? Do you have maybe some cool transitions for your slide? Did you use a cool font? Okay. So no need to worry because everything you need for this PowerPoint presentation for this project is already in the slides. Here are your directions. Here are the resources. Remember to open a link, you're going to right click and open link, or if you're in presentation mode, you can just click it. Videos, and then fill in the blanks. Okay, now, if you are done, I know I talked to some students about doing an extra credit project for me. You can create your own god or goddess. How cool would that be? If you're going to do the extra credit project, you can just email it to me. So if you're going to do the extra credit project, you can do a PowerPoint slide and then you can take the same questions that we did for our real god or goddess, and you can use that and you can make up your own story. But that is only extra credit. If you finish with everything else, you can do the extra credit. One last thing. When you are done with your map test, you finished all the assignments that I'm grading for progress reports, and you finished your week-long project, here's what you can do. Monday, we are starting our book, Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief. I am super psyched, super stoked for this book. When you're in your teams, up along the top, here's where we post every day. Here's where our class notebook is. Here are our assignments. Here's where you check your grades. And when you click 3 more, there are a couple things for you to do. Here is our book, The Lightning Thief. Here is a really fun place where these are all learning games, all ELA learning games. No Roblox here, folks. And you can click those into a learning game. I would really suggest this. If you have, click the More button, click the Lightning Thief book, and you can start reading your book. You can also make it bigger. Oops, I'm having a tough time making it bigger because I'm recording. But you can make the book bigger. You can also you can download the book and you can open in SharePoint, okay? So you can definitely make it bigger. So click the 3 dots and then you can download the book or you can open it in SharePoint to read, all right? But I'm gonna say it one more time. Up at the top, you'll see your posts, and then there's a little tab here that says more. Click down and these are all your extra tabs and you can read the Lightning Thief if you are done with all your work. All right, folks, I will see you tomorrow. But when you are done with map test, nobody is going to message me or text me and say, I don't know what to do. I don't have any work. I finished everything, because there is always something for you to do at Kylie Prep to make you a better scholar. Have a great day.